Welcome to Read and Learn, Day 9. Children, let's read the letter sounds. A, B, G, H, L, M. Let's repeat, children. A, B, G, H, L, M, M, N, P, S, T, W. Let's repeat. M, N, P, S, T, W. Now let's read the words. B, N, B, N, Ben, Ben. P, N, P, N, pen, pen. T, N, T, N, tin, tin. Bin, pen, pin. P, egg, P, egg, pig, pig. W, egg, W, egg, wig, wig. D, egg, D, egg, dig, dig. Pig, wig, dig. M, it, M, it, met, met. S, it, S, it, sit, sit. P, it, P, it, pit, pit. Met, sit, pit. M, el, M, el, mel, mel. P, el, P, el, pale, pale. H, el, H, el, hill, hill. Male, pale, hill. Now let's read all the words. Bin, pin, tin, pig, wig, dig. Male, pale, hill. Now, children, read by yourself. Good job, children. See you in day 10.